Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'll be going to share you guys with a very healthy and nutritious salad that you can add it to your dinner, or you can add it to your lunch, or you can add it to your breakfast as well. So this salad option would be very nutritious and very much grating up with your increasing your immunity, and that means it is an immunity booster and also keeps your appetite full and also gives you all the nutrients and minerals and vitamins that are needed to your body. And actually it also very much effective in regulating your with sugar levels as well, and also manage your body weight and keeps your body toxins free as well. So what it's going to be? So it adds so much of veggies in it and healthy nutrients, seeds and some nuts in it. Actually this salad includes bell peppers, all kinds of bell peppers you can add it to them, like you can go with the yellow, red or green bell peppers. You can cut them and chop it to a big large size pieces and keep them aside, and also you can add some broccoli pieces to it, as broccoli is very much nutritious and also it has essential minerals and vitamins in it, and it is also very tasty and keeps your appetite full and gives lot more nutrition to your body. And when we discuss about the bell peppers are also very much rich in C vitamin. This increases your immunity to the very high level, and due to the presence of very much essential carotenes in it, they have various reasons, like various ways that keeps your body healthy. And it also very much effective in, like C vitamins present in bell peppers also keep your chronic diseases away from your body. So all in all, bell peppers are an excellent addition to your healthy diet. So you can add this bell peppers and add this broccoli, cut them into pieces and keep them aside. And you can add mushrooms. Mushrooms are very much nutritious and it has natural fiber and natural iron and natural protein present in it, that also helps you regulate the sugar levels and gives you essential nutrients that are required to the body, and this is also a part of your healthy diet plan. So cut the mushrooms also into pieces and keep them aside. Now take a pan and heat it to some level and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So olive oil is very rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids as well, and also it is low in cholesterol. So you can add this olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil to a pan, and add this chopped vegetables like everything, like mushrooms, broccoli and bell peppers. To this you can add, if you need, you can add this tomatoes chopped and onions also chopped if you are wishing to have. And also to this you can stir fry to a 1 minute or so and add some sesame seeds to it, add some salt according to the taste and add a half teaspoon of pepper powder to it, and take out of the flame and add it to a bowl, and you can have it in your dinner time, or you can have this with your lunch, or you can have this in your breakfast, whether it can be a side dish, or you can take this with your rice, or like any other breakfast options if you are taking with, or you can take it as a whole meal. And this is a healthy diet option that you can add it to your diet plan or life schedule to every day, that keeps your body very much nutritionally filled and gives you all the essential vitamins and minerals to your body. So this vegetable salad is a very good option for diabetics to regulate with the sugar levels and manage with the diabetic conditions.